Black women are 3 times more likely to die from a pregnancy-related cause than white women. That is according to the CDC. And yes, there are multiple factors, which is why Rose Sims, the founder of the Black Maternal Health Collective, is pushing to make sure everyone knows it is Black Maternal Health Week. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
Explain to me how your coalition is really pushing to make a difference.
So we have been established since 2019 working as partners in the community. So we realized through our lived experience that we were not able to find a space where we can really coexist together. So a lot of us, birth workers, advocates, those who are in the community that were looking at spaces to try to figure out what was there to support women, what was the gap that was needed, and we knew that community was a big part of that. So what we have decided to do as a collective is there is a National Black Maternal Health Week that was founded by Black Mamas Matters, and we wanted to bring it locally to Columbia to celebrate it in our town, to ensure that we have events that are specifically for our community members to come out and get education, to come out and learn how to advocate, to also connect to resources in the community that particularly serve them.
Ro, could you also explain to us your personal connection and why you're so passionate about this?
Yes, so I used to be a mentor at the University of South Carolina, and I had a mentee in my sorority chapter that was, really close to me. And I remember years later, she worked in the medical field and she ended up birthing twins. And when she went into the hospital to birth her twins, she did not make it out alive. So her story really stuck to our community, especially our sisterhood. So for me, everything that I do and everything that is rooted in the work that we do is really just to honor and whisper her name continuously.
Throughout this week, there are going to be special events. Can you talk to us about what events are happening?
Yes, so Black Maternal Health Week kicks off April the 11th through the 17th. Our signature event is the Moms Marketplace, which we partner with the City of Columbia. And it's really like a mom's boutique of vendors. It's a space where community members can come in, those who are maybe thinking about having a baby, who are birthing, or even in postpartum. And they can get resources that are directly connected to support that is all around care. We realize that it is so important to have doctors, but it's also important to have other resources on hand when you become a mom. So it expands beyond just the hospital and doctor spaces, and it allows them to connect in the community.
And how can our community also contribute to everything that you're trying to do?
I would say just get involved. We have on our website, you can sign up to be volunteers. We also just encourage people to advocate for moms in the spaces that you serve in. So if you work in corporate America, you can advocate for a mom who just came in from postpartum and you notice changes with her, because there will absolutely be changes to a new mom that comes back to work. So advocate, step in. Where can you support? Where can you give and help another mom in this process?
All right, Rose Sims, thank you so much for joining us and sharing everything that we need to know about Black Maternal Health Week. We're going to make sure we share this story and that you reshare this story over on our website. That, of course, is WLTX.com. Stay with us.